If you don't like your OnePlus 13 overheating but still need to use it, then try these fixes. First up, close those background apps. They can drain your battery and overheat your phone. Next, adjust your settings. Turn off location services and auto sync when you don't need them. Lower your screen brightness and enable data saver mode. Always check for software updates. They often come with bug fixes that can help reduce overheating. Remove your phone case. It can trap heat, especially during intensive tasks like gaming or video streaming. Use your phone in a cooler environment. Avoid direct sunlight or hot places. Restarting your phone can also help. Sometimes it's all about clearing those temporary glitches. Keep an eye on your battery usage. Your phone's battery monitor can show you which apps are causing the heat. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Just remember to back up your important info first. Still having issues? Contact OnePlus support. It might be a hardware problem. Stay cool with your OnePlus 13.